Jesus was a kind and innocent man, but the leaders were jealous of him. They falsely accused him of being a rebel, and Pontius Pilate, a powerful leader, sentenced him to death. The soldiers whipped Jesus harshly, and his body was in pain. They put a painful crown of thorns on his head, mocking him. Jesus carried a heavy wooden cross up to Calvary. He was tired, weak, and hungry, yet no one helped him. The burden of the cross was too much. Weak and wounded Jesus stumbled and had a fall. Yet, with love in his heart, he got up and continued his journey. In the crowd, his mother, Mary, watched Jesus with a heavy heart. She ran to him, crying, but could not stop his suffering. A kind woman named Veronica wiped Jesus' bleeding face with a cloth, and miraculously his face appeared on the cloth. A man named Simon was forced by the soldiers to help Jesus. At first, he hesitated, but later he felt blessed to help an innocent man. At Calvary, the soldiers nailed Jesus to the cross. Despite his pain, Jesus forgave his enemies and prayed for them. Jesus took his last breath. Suddenly, the sky darkened and the temple curtain tore apart. Jesus' lifeless body was placed in his mother's arms. She cried, but she knew he had given his life out of love for all. Jesus sacrificed his life on the cross, showed us the power of love and forgiveness. Let us also be kind, help one another, and spread God's love everywhere. Let it inspire us to be kind, forgiving, and faithful, just as Jesus and so many other great people have taught us.
On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross, where the dearest and best for a world of lost sinners was slain. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. Yeah, I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Yeah, I will cling